Welcome to another video from Hunt at Great Oak. This time I will be showing you the cocooned body that we have for our giant spider. So the way that I made this is I used our 6-year-old to frame out the front and back of his body using electrical wire, and then the sides. And then that was from top to bottom, and then I did various points around the circumference of his face, chest, body, and legs. I did have him get into a pose similar to what you have here in the video, so I could make sure that everything was basically the way I wanted it to appear. Once I had the framework done, I used electrical tape to attach all the different wire points together, and then I covered it using garbage bags, white garbage bags, followed up by using the material used for weddings and other things like that, wrapped it up like how you see here. After that was done, I used a heat gun to help tighten up the material onto the framework. So anyway, here's a closer look at the face and the remainder of the body. The end point for where the material ended, I used a glue gun to attach that to the rest of the fabric so it would not come undone. So anyway, this is basically how I made our cocooned individual here. So there you have it. Go make something.